consider the line L, and this is the equation of line L, and line D is parallel to line L. So here we have line L and line D, right? And line D is parallel to line L. This is the symbol of parallel. This is parallel. So now here we have the line equation, which is 3y minus 24x equal to minus 2. Now the equation of line D, we don't have it. Here you want to know the slope of line D. Here we want to know the slope of line D, right? So here we will get, because the two lines are parallel, so slope of line L will equal to slope of line D. So if we get the slope of line L, so we'll get the slope of line D. So now to get the slope, we need to arrange the equation in the form of y equal to ax plus b, because a is the slope. Now this one, make it in the same form. So 3y will equal to 24x plus minus 2. Because minus 24 will go to the other side was plus 24. So now here y, 3y, so divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. So y will equal to 24 divided by 3 is 8x minus 2 over 3. Now the slope of this line is 8, so the slope of line D is 8 also, because the two lines are parallel, okay? So here the slope of D will be 8. Consider the line R equal to y minus 8x minus 16. Line T is parallel to line R and has intercept y-intercept 0 and 11. Y-intercept, so x will be 0. Choose the correct operation sign from the drop-down menu and drag the right numbers from the menu. Obtain the equation of line T. So wants to know the equation of line T. Now, okay. So here we have line R and line T, right? Listen. And line T is parallel to line R. So parallel. This is parallel. So that means that the slope of line R will equal to slope of line T. Okay. Now the equation of line R is y minus 8x equal to minus 16. And the equation of line T unknown, and we need to get the equation of line T. Okay. Now to get the equation of line T, it has to be in the form y equal to ax plus b. A is the slope, and b we can get it if the line is passing through a point. So here the line T is passing a point 0 and 11, and for the slope we know that the slope T equal to slope R. So if we get the slope R, we can get the slope of T, and from the point which the line T is passing, we can get B. So now let's get the slope of line R. So we have to make it in the form of y equal to ax plus b. So here y will equal to 8x minus 16. So the slope is 8. Slope is 8. So the slope of line T is also 8. So we have y equal to 8x plus b. Right? Slope is equal. Now, line T has a point 0 and 11. It's passing point 0 and 11. So substitute here. So with point 0 and 11. So 11 will equal to b. Right? Because x is 0. So now the equation will be y equal to 8x plus 11. So the answer here, y equal to 8x plus 11. Consider the line L, 3y plus 3x equal to 12. Line T is perpendicular to line L. So we have here line T perpendicular to line L, right? So perpendicular means that slope of line T multiply slope of line L will equal to minus 1. Now, here the question asking for a slope of line T. So we need to get the slope of line T. Now, here we have the line L, which is 30y plus 3x equal to 12. So we'll get the slope of this line. Substituting the equation, we'll get the slope of t. Now this equation will make it in the form of y equal to ax plus b, the same form. So we have here 30y equal to minus 3x plus 12, because this one will go to the other side with minus. Now divide by 30, divide by 30, divide by 30. So y will equal to minus 1 over 10 x plus 12 over 30. Now the slope of the line L is 1 minus 1 over 10. So substitute in the equation, in this equation. So we have slope t multiply minus 1 over 10 equal to minus 1. So here the slope t will equal to 1 multiply minus 1 multiply minus 10 over 1, because we go to the other side, multiply. So minus with minus, so slope t will equal to 10. So here the answer here is 10. Okay. Now consider the line M 3y plus x equal to 6. So let's make it in the form. Now we have the line form ax plus b, y equal to ax plus b. So let's make this line M in the same form here. So 3y equal to minus x plus 6, right? Now divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. So line M will be y equal to minus 1 over 3x plus 2. So this is the line M. Now the slope of line M is, the slope of line M equal to minus 1 over 3. Now here line N is perpendicular to line M. So we have line N perpendicular to line M, right? Means the slope of line N multiply the slope of line M equal to minus 1. So here the slope of minus M is 1 minus 1 over 3 equal to minus 1 multiply slope N, right? So slope N will be equal to 3. Now here choose the correct operation sign from the the line N is perpendicular to line M and passes through the point 1 and 10. Okay. Now choose the correct operation sign from the drop-down menu and drag the right numbers from the menu to obtain the equation of line N. Equation of line N, if we need to get the equation of line N, we need to get two things. The slope, which is A, and B. Now slope, we get it because the line is perpendicular to M, so we get the slope. Now to B, we need to get B. We have here that the line n passing through the point 1 and 10, so we substitute this point in the equation, we'll get p. Now we got the slope here, so y, this is for line n now, y will equal to 3x plus p, and line n passes the point 1 and 10, right? We'll substitute, so 10 will equal to 3 multiply 1 plus p. 3 will go to the other side, will be minus 3, so b will equal to 7. So the line equation of line n will be 3x plus 7. So the answer here 3x plus 7. Fill in the blank. If ax plus 5y equal to 8 and 3x plus by equal to minus 3 represent parallel lines in the coordinate plane, then A and B. This is line 1, this is line 2. Now we want to get A, B, that means A multiply B. Now the line 1, we have ax plus 5y equal to 8. And for line B, we have 4x plus by equal to minus 3. Right, we have line 1, line 2. Ax plus 5y equal to 8 and 4x plus by equal to minus 3. So we have two constants, a and b. We need to get them. Now here he mentioned that these two lines are parallel. So the slopes are equal, right? So now, first let's make the two lines in the form of y equal to ax plus b, and a is the slope, and the slopes, because they are parallel, so the slopes are equal for the both lines. So here we have 5y equal to minus 8x plus 8. Ax will go to the other side with minus ax. Now divide by 5, divide by 5, divide by 5. So y will equal to minus a over 5x plus 8 over 5. So the slope here will be a over minus a over 5. Now for this line, second line, we have by equal to minus 4x minus 3. 4x will go to the other side was minus, so divide by b, divide by b, divide by b. So y will equal to minus 4 over bx minus 3 over b. Now here, parallel lines, so the slopes are equal. So slope of line 1 equal to slope of line 2. So slope of line 1 minus a over 5 equal slope of minus 2, line 2 is minus 4 over b. Cross multiplication, we will have minus a b will equal to minus 4 multiply 5 multiply 4 minus 20. Negative will go with negative, so a b will equal to 20. So the answer here, AB equal to 20. The equation of the line L passing through the point 0 and 7 and perpendicular to D, line D, is L 2x plus py equal to c. What is the value of c? So now I have line L, 2x plus py equal to c. So let's arrange it in the form of the line form. So we have py equal to minus 2x plus c divide by b, divide by b, divide by b. So we'll get that y will equal to minus 2 over b x plus c over b. Why we did this? To get the slope of the line L. Now we need to get the value of b and value of c. So here, this is the slope of the line L. And the line L is perpendicular to line D. So we have line L perpendicular to line D. So the slope of line L multiply slope of line D equal to minus 1. So if I get the slope of D, I can get the slope of L. I will substitute here. I will get the B. So let's see how we'll do this. Now let's get the slope of D. Let's get the line D. Now I have line D is 3x minus 6y equal to 1. So making the line form, so we have minus 6y equal to minus 3x plus 1. 3x go to the other side, right? Now divide by minus 6, divide by minus 6, divide by minus 6. So I'll get that y equal to 1 over 2 x minus 1 over 6, right? Now the slope of the line D is 1 over 2. So here I'll say that the slope L multiply 1 over 2 equal to minus 1. So directly the slope L will be equal to minus 2, because minus 2 multiply 1 over 2, it will go to be minus 1. So now I have the slope L equal to minus 2. And in the equation here, the slope L also equal to minus 2 over B, right? So we have minus 2 equal to minus 2 over B, the slope of L. So cross multiplication, we'll have minus 2, B will equal to minus 2, divide by minus 2, divide by minus 2, so B will equal to 1. So substituting the equation, this equation, so y will equal to minus 2x plus c, because b equal to 1. Now we have point C. To get point C now, we will substitute this point, because the line L is passing this point. In the equation, we will get C. So now here we have y equal to 7, so we have 7 equal to C, right? So now we have, so the equation will be y equal to minus 2x plus 7. So the answer here will be 7. Now, the equation of the line L passing through the point 4 and 3 and parallel to line D. Parallel to line D, 4x plus 5y equal to 1 is L 16x plus by equal to c. What is the value of b? So we have here line L parallel to line D. So the slope of line L will equal to slope of line D. Now let's see the line L equation. Line equation, it's 16x plus by equal to c. So let's arrange the line form. So we'll have by equal to minus 16x plus c divide by b, divide by b, divide by b. So y will equal to minus 16 over bx plus c over b. So this is the slope of the line L. Now let's get the slope of line D. The equation of line D is 4x plus 5y equal to 1. So 5y equal to minus 4x plus 1. Divide by 5, divide by 5, divide by 5. So y will be equal to minus 4 over 5x plus 1. So we'll have here the slope of the line D equal to minus 4 over 1. So now we have the two slopes. And here, because the two lines are parallel, so slope L equal to line D. So we'll have minus 16 over p will be equal to minus 4 over 5. Let's do cross multiplication. So we'll have minus 4p equal to minus 16 multiply equal to 8 minus 80. So divide by minus 4, divide by minus 4, so p will equal to 20. So the answer here will be 20.